right, so we're going to finish off section 2.1 by looking at the definitions that we just saw. We're going to look at some cardinal numbers, and then we're going to compare and look at our definitions for equal and equivalent sets. All right, so identify the cardinality of each set and state whether the sets are equal, equivalent, both, or neither. All right, so set A is the numbers 1, 2, 3. So that means that our cardinality of set A is 3 because we have 3 elements in our set. Set B is Canada, United States, and Mexico. There are 3 elements in that set as well. Since we have the same cardinality, but not the same thing, we've got numbers in here and we've got words here, we would say that these are going to be equivalent sets. Again, equivalent sets have the same cardinality. All right, for B, set A is 1, 2, 3. We have 3 elements in set A. Set C is 3, 1, 2. We have 3 elements in set C. And if we look at these and we compare these, notice that we have the exact same things in here. We just have them in a slightly different order. Right? So what we're going to say here, we're told to state whether the sets are equal, equivalent, both, or neither. So this is going to be an example of both. Right? These are both equal because they have the exact same elements, and they are also equivalent because they both have 3 elements. So as we're kind of thinking about this and looking at this particular one, I'm actually going to go up to the problem and I'm going to make a little note here that when we're doing these types of problems in our homework, equal all by itself should never be an answer. Because if our sets are equal, they're also going to be equivalent. So instead of using equal, we're going to be using both. Okay. So if a set is equal, it will also be equivalent. So notice that we did use both in that last example. Right. For example C, set A is 1, 2, 3. Our cardinality of set A, there's still 3 elements in there. Set D, A, B, C, D, we have 4 elements. So in this case, we are going to say these are neither equal because we don't have the exact same things, nor are they equivalent, right? Because they don't have the same number of elements, the same cardinality. Right? So again, most of the time we use equal and equivalent interchangeably. Not the case in this section or this chapter when we're dealing with sets. So equal and equivalent mean 2 different things.